Thank you, Madam Deputy Speaker. Hundreds of farmers in my rural constituency of North Cornwall are facing a mental health crisis. They're unsure if their farms and their life's work will be passed on to the next generation, or that they'll even be farmed in 5 years' time. I constructively relayed some of these concerns to the Farming Minister earlier this week. Will the Leader of the House today commit to a debate on government time about the proposed changes to the APR and inheritance tax rules to give our farmers the reassurance they so desperately need?
Well, can I thank him for that question? And it gives me an opportunity to further clarify some of the points that he and others have raised. The government figures are based on actual claims, not other people's analysis, and they show that 3/4 of farmers would be unaffected by these changes, and that only around 500 claims from the wealthiest estates would be affected each year. And there are a number of mitigations in terms of how long that could be paid back and so on as well available. Because this government supports our rural communities, we support our farmers. We are really proud to have returned a record number of Labour MPs representing rural communities. And I mean, they might want to chunter from the backbenches, but that's also why we had a debate earlier this week on these issues, and there have been other opportunities in this House to raise them, and I'm sure he'll get further ones to you.